It's tech tool time, and this is one of my favorite episodes. I love getting techie. And this is one of those things that I learned. And when I learned it, it changed my life when it came to Canva because nothing is more frustrating. If you have been playing in Canva and say you have created a frame and now you have a picture that you don't want to go in that frame, you already have something in that blasted frame, but your picture keeps on trying to go into that frame. I'm going to show you right now how to not have that happen. Okay, so here I am in Canva. I've got my design. I've got my frame with my picture already in it. And notice that if I try to put my dice on top of it, I want to give a little layer there. It puts it inside of the frame, and I don't want that. So how do I get around it? Click and hold the Control button on your keyboard, and then click to move your pretty little embellishment and drop it. And guess what? It does not go into the frame. So the easy hack today is the Control button. While moving photos over top of other photos that are in a frame so that it doesn't snap to that frame, click and hold the Control button. You're welcome. That is your tech tool for today in Canva. Go and create some cool media and don't scream at your computer. That's a win. See you next time.